Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a Buildium training video. Buildium is a property management software that helps you with rent collection, maintenance, and talking to tenants. First, you log into your Buildium account. Then you land on the dashboard, where you can see tasks, messages, and updates all in one place. After that, you click on Properties to add a new property. Here, you enter details like the address, number of units, and rent price. Next, you go to the Leases section to add a tenant. Then, you select a unit and type in the tenant's name, lease dates, and payment schedule. Now, collect rent online. You set up payment options by linking your bank account. After that, the video shows how to handle maintenance requests. Tenants send their requests through the portal, and you can assign the job to a vendor and track the progress easily. By the end, you'll know how to manage everything using Buildium in a smooth and simple way. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.